Orbeez?
Oh no!
Right, that's it. We're going to do a very exciting video. I have bought us a new bathtub. So that's where the new bathtub's going to go, in the bathroom. I'll take you guys down, you can have a look and see which one you like. Angel?
Yes?
I've got a new bath to put in the bathroom, shall I show you? Do you have a look, Angelia? There, look. There's our new bathtubs to put upstairs. I brought two home so you could pick which one you like. Which one do you like?
I like that orange one.
You like the orange one? The one
I like the white one.
Whoa, look, it's snowing outside, guys.
Wow.
It's snowing. Well, Daddy's just going to go watch a little bit of television and then we'll put the new bath in. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Watch a bit of TV.
Leah, I have a plan. I have a plan too. Leah, let's get a hot water hose pipe. Yeah, it's already there. Fill the bath up. I'm going to get my hose pipe, Angel, and fill the bath up. Okay. I'm getting the hot water hose pipe on. Leave that to fill up. Come on, Leah. Okay. 2 shotguns. I got 1 ragkin. Okay. Oh, my boots are filling up with water. Can you get mine up? It's warm.
Right, I think I'll go check on the children and then we'll put this new bathtub in. Hey! Hey! What are you doing?
This is my...
Leo?
Yeah?
What are you doing?
This is a good bag you got for me.
What do you mean you're in the bath that I got for you?
Yeah.
It's snowing outside and you're sat in 2 baths.
Yeah.
What? Angel?
Hi.
What are you doing in there? Have you got the hot water in? You are so cheeky. What's that, Leo, you've got? Leo! You're soaking the garden. I can't believe this. Do you know what I'm going to do? Because you two are so naughty all the time. I'm going to fill the bath with Orbeez.
Yay! Oh, no.
Yeah, I'm filling the bath with Orbeez. Right. You didn't know I had these, did you?
No. Yeah, I did.
Hey, who's ready for these?
No.
Orbeez. Orbeez for you. You know that I have more Orbeez?
Oh, no. And I have some more big.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Right, that's it. Oh! That is it. I'm going to get you both.
Wait! Oh, look, I found 2 shotguns. Where are the shotguns gone now? Well, look, I found this. The Orbeez. Oh, look, I found one. Oh, they're Orbeez. I found one. Oh, where have they gone?
Can you believe how naughty these guys are? Come on, get out.
No.
Get out of there.
No, you get out of there.
It's snowing outside.
No.
It's snowing. You can't just get in a bath outside.
I'm going to make it rain.
You're going to make it rain?
Yeah, raining. Summer.
Whoa.
Yeah, that's rain. Rain. Yeah, raining. It's snowing. Yeah, man, it's snowing. In bed, he bumped his head. He got to him in the morning. And he couldn't get up in the morning. Oh, man, it's snowing. Raining! He bumped his head and he got it in the morning. Are you getting wet?
Angel, look at all those Orbeez in the water.
And I can feel a shotgun. I think I found something. Oh, it's that.
Leo, look at all your Orbeez.
What is this? Round one.
You two out now.
No, we're staying here.
No, you're not. Come on, get out.
We're not getting out of here ever.
Ow.
Fire.
You two, I'm going upstairs. I'm going to get your towels and then you're getting out. I'm sick of these pranks.
No!
Yes, you are. Come on, get out. Come on, Angel. Get out as well. Come on, now. Come on, out you get. Get in the house and get warmed up. Look at this. They were supposed to be found a new bathroom. These are the naughtiest children ever. Look at that. The absolute naughtiest children ever. Right, now you two have come in and got nice and warm. I've put the fire on. Are you nice and warm?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we're going to cook soup on the fire.
Yeah, let's put a nice pan of warm soup on top of that fire. Let's have a look.
Yeah.
Remember guys, never go too close to a fire. But that makes you nice and warm. A nice fire, nice and warm.
Let's put the tomato soup on.
Yep. Daddy's got a nice tub of fresh tomato soup, and what you do, you put that on top of the log burner like that.
And Leah's just having a little snack.
What are you eating, Leah?
Strawberry.
Strawberry. Look, we've got a picnic set up there. Angel's got a blanket out. And we're gonna have this delicious soup, which will start getting nice and warm in a minute.
Bye guys.
Bye guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Like our video. Bye.